What is it? Oh.
What is
There's,
it, Jonathan?
there's our reaction.
Wow. Come here, look at it. What do you think? Look at it. Look under.
Whoa, look how big it is.
How do we open it?
It's so light. I think he can
They are
even pick
very
it up. It's pretty light. Very.
How do you get it out?
I don't know. I guess we have to take it out now. Right, Mommy?
Sure. Okay.
Okay, do you want...
You want to check it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have these.
You did it.
Wow.
Not too vicious. I don't want to be too vicious with it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Tape. I get the tape.
Right? It
off.
needs to turn that way, doesn't
I
it?
get the
I think
tape.
so. Maybe we just, oh, you're just trying to pull. And pull up.
Hold on for a second.
And...
Careful, you're ripping.
Oh, wow.
What do you think, Jonathan?
And I will open the box.
The remote
Rip
control.
it. And you-
Well, wait, let Daddy do it. You got no,
Yeah,
no,
Daddy
no.
do
Can't
it.
rip it. Look, there's the instructions.
Come over here.
Wow,
Let me
this is
check again.
awesome.
Let me check the instructions.
Okay, what does it say?
It says $30.
Whoa.
Oh, instructions says you need to drive it, and you go in.
Does it have to be charged?
No.
No?
And it takes, what kind of batteries?
Blue.
Looks like AAA. Good. Okay, we've got AAA batteries.
Awesome. This is going to be so much fun,
All right,
Jonathan.
so now we're going to go charge it.
What?
For a
Let's
minute.
see how we charge it. Hold on one second. Let's go look. And
Okay.
yeah, we're going to charge it. Let's see. Where's the charger?
Up underneath.
Up underneath. Okay,
And
it's
you
right
plug
here.
it in.
Pick that up.
And
USB.
And it's USB. Oh, I like that port there. Look at this. You can wrap it around here.
The tires are made like out of foam.
It's
Interesting.
like, and it slides into there.
Cool. What do you think, Jonathan?
Good, but there's a flaw.
And then it goes right back like that. So that's
Awesome.
cool. So let's charge it. I guess we have the power off.
It works for a
It
minute.
works for a minute. Let's try
Oh,
it.
let's go get batteries
Oh, wait,
first.
we need batteries for that one. Okay.
Oh, boy.
All right, you got your whistle?
Wow, awesome whistle.
Good.
Whoa, look at it.
You gonna do it?
Oh no!
Whoa.
Get it, Jonathan!
On your marks. Get set. Go.
Jonathan won! Now it's beating you. Oh, careful! You're okay? Ah, get him! Got a good distance too. Get you, Jonathan! Oh no, look out! What do you think? All right, good job. Here comes the car, Daddy. Awesome. There it is. Gravedigger. Straight out of the box.
Hey, Jonathan. Jonathan, look
What?
at the lights.
Are they ready now?
They're
Are they not blinking?
not blinking anymore. That means they're ready. It means it's charged.
Let's try it, Daddy.
That was only 20 minutes to charge.
Ready?
Ready.
What's this do? Take me to the
Hold the
bed.
light down. Hold it down. Hold the light. And that's how to shut it off. Now push the light again. Try to turn it on. Here, you can turn
Hey, look. This sign. Go.
I think so. And he can pick it up and turn it himself because it's that light.
Ow!
Oh no!
Ah!
Oh no! Turn him, turn him, turn him, turn him, turn him! Turn him, turn him, turn him! Whoa! Get him up, move forward, go straight. No, the other way, the other way. There you go, 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 go! Go reverse. Okay. Turn him. Gotta turn it. Gotta turn it. Come on. There you go. Now you're turning it. That's good. Oh, that's pretty good for a kid. That was close. Go forward. Go the other way. There you go. Good job. Go. Super speed. Go. Whoa. That was cool. Hold, quick, let go of the button. There you go. Where are you taking that to? Oh my God. This is pretty heavy grass, this thing going through. Oh no, are you okay? He drops it. He dropped the remote.
I'm okay. If I take a speed, look, it has a green speed sign. Go. Can I
Cool.
try it?
I think so. Oh no, back it up. Turn it. Oh, wait. Whoa, wait, stop.
What is it?
Car coming.
Guys, that was slow.
That was close. There, go.
Can I go this way? Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the days of the week. Come on and take a peek at Jonathan's Playhouse, living a double life.